Building a business takes time. G'day folks, it's Den here, and today I want to talk about the importance of understanding how long it takes to build a meaningful business. You know, oftentimes when I speak to creatives, they're very, very impatient about the results they think they can achieve in the time they've set. I think it was Tony Robbins who said we all wildly overestimate what we can achieve in 12 months, but we underestimate what we can achieve in 5 years. And I think that's a really true perspective on time. You need certain things to happen to build a sustainable business. It takes 7 to 10 years to build a sustainable business. And during that time, there are things you have to learn. Now, you can do it quicker if you have resources, but most of us are bootstrapping. Most of us are funding as we go. So deploy some patience in your business. Understand and appreciate that it takes time to learn the skills you need, implement them, and start to see results.